What's up, guys? Welcome back to another fabrication video. My name is Mike and I am the owner of MP Fabworks. I have a small fabrication shop that I'm working out of in my garage. I'm mainly working on friends, cars and trucks, my own tools, my own projects. I have a few cars and trucks that I have been neglecting while I've been putting my tools together. But now that I'm pretty far ahead as far as tooling goes, I'm going to be starting to focus on making those tools better or making them useful to me. This will be one example of it. I had this set up horizontally. Now I have it where it's bending vertically. I find it easier to bend that way. Some people prefer the horizontal orientation. Whatever works for them, and if you prefer it horizontally, if it works for you, it works for you. This video is going to be for the guys that want to make it a vertical bender. So far, I welded the tubes that are gonna hold the dies down here. It is a little top heavy. It wants to tilt back, so I put the dies as far forward as I can, kind of or counterways the back of the bender there. I still need to drill. I need to make a hole and put a bolt there. Let me see, where did I put the bolt? So I need to drill a hole right here, probably closer to the side. Put the bolt, weld the nut in place and use this bolt. It's like a 1/2-inch bolt, probably came out of like a Bronco or something. I can't remember what it came out of. Drill it, set the bolt, that way I can, if you can see, it's kind of leaning this way. That way I can get it upright. I'm pretty close to 90 right now, right where I'm at. So once I drill it, put the bolt, I'll be able to correct it upright, set it, and it'll probably stay there. I don't think I'm going to be bending horizontally anymore. I think I'm just going to go vertically from now on, just because of how small my area is here, for tube bumpers and stuff like that. Eventually the cages and stuff like that I'm going to make, it's going to make it really hard to bend those in here. This way I can pull it out, bend outside in my driveway, or in front of the car, wherever I'm at, and just go at it. But yeah. So this is the reason why I decided to go with this position for the welder, the upright. I'm able to set that angle finder right on the tube as it comes out of the bender here, and it's a little bit more reliable than reading the dial. Don't get me wrong, reading the dial is fine, but it's a little bit more reliable than that. I'm able to get a better reading, just as I did here. You just zero it, you turn it on. Right now we're reading 2.9, 2.8, well, 2.0. You zero it out, and that's your zero. So no matter which way it bends, it gives you your reading off of that zero reading. So it makes life a lot easier this way. So I didn't record me painting all this, but I didn't really care about cleaning it up too much. If you see, there's all kinds of crap that stayed behind from before. I got a nice solid coat on it, but I'm gonna be stepping on this. Another reason why I'm not really concerned about how pretty it looks or how clean it looks is because I'm still gonna have to grind this area right here to put another tube and weld in some all thread for this die for the 1 inch, because I just got my email notification today that my 1.25 inch die is coming, and then there's going to be a 2-inch die right in the center there. At some point, those wheels are going to end up over on the back right there to help stabilize it, because right now it still wants to tip back a little bit. Not too crazy, especially with these dies in the front. It really helps it stabilize, but it still does want to tilt back. Also, if you notice, I haven't drilled it. See the cruddy stuff. I haven't drilled it and put the bolt in, welded the nut and put the bolt in yet, because I'm waiting to do all of this all in one shot, so I get everything painted. I sand it down, scuff it, clean this up, smooth it all out, and then I'll set that bolt then. But if you see, pretty damn close to upright. So I'm not too concerned about it right now. Whatever little bit it does move, I can always tighten it or loosen it depending on what I need. And then if it really starts moving too much on me, I'll probably throw another strap from that side down to this side to keep it from, to this side to keep it from moving around. So it's not too bad. I'm not too concerned about it right now. I can mitigate those issues and kind of work around them. But there it is, guys. If you have any suggestions, please drop them in the comment section. I'm open to suggestions. I'm learning fabrication as I'm going along, and if someone's done this build before and you found a better way, please share it with us. It might help. It might help me. It might help someone else that's looking to fabricate or to make a stand for their tube bender. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at mp_fabworks, and get in the garage, start fabricating something. I want to see what you guys build too. See you guys next time.